Hello YouTube, it's Dr. Pete, chiropractor, and we're gonna just start displaying some of the treatment videos. Hopefully y'all enjoy. And how long has it been like this, you see?
Well, the tightness in my back for a long time, but 2 or 3 days with the knot between my shoulder and my spine. I guess it's a knot, I don't know.
Yeah, I'm gonna mash down these trigger points here first, kind of loosen you up. Are you still at Live Oak?
Yes, sir. I'm here as an animal control officer.
Oh, right on.
Yeah.
Good for you. Hitting these trigger points and then loosening it on up there. Deep breath and out. Perfect. Again. Good. Did you feel that?
Yes.
Just scan the rest of your spine. Just gonna push your sacrum towards your feet, just lengthening out the lumbar area here. Then we'll pump the spinal fluid back and forth. Straighten you out first of all. I'll have you bend your knees towards your body. Come back down. So a little bit short left leg. Seems like the hip got rotated a little bit. Pressure and rotate it back.
Awesome. That feels good.
Yes. It was kind of compacted in this area too. That's how you flip over, face up, for me, Shelby. Easy to
Don't fall off.
Alright. Stick this underneath your knees. Skin your neck here. Just a bit rotated right here. You been getting any headaches at all?
Yes.
It's kind of rotated right here. Can you feel that in there?
Yes.
Sounds straight. Got some popcorn in your neck, man. Traction you out here. Good. These trigger points down there. Activate the area. Just have you cross your arms over your chest like so. Just kind of love on yourself. Behind your shoulder blades. Move up here and take a deep breath. Exhale it, blow it out. One more time. Out. Alright, I'm gonna check that hip again. Let's rotate on this side. So I'll bring the knee out like so. Yeah, I'll just splay it out. Drop right here, traction out your lower spine. Did you feel that?
Yes.
Got some length now, huh?
Yes. I grew an inch and a half.
There you go. Alright, we'll do a little bit of traction again on your neck. Let's stick this towel underneath. Perfect. I'm basically gonna make a scarf out of it and then we'll traction out your spine and we'll get the upper half, okay?
Okay.
There. Yeah. Close your mouth but don't bite on your tongue. Good. Feel that?
Oh my god.
What do you?
Now you're 2 inches taller.
Oh my gosh, that felt so good.
There you go. Next, bring your arms back like this. Let's see, we do a little bit of sternal clavicle. Good. Good. All right. Pull out this guy, and we'll put you on the rollers over there.
How did that feel?
Amazing.
There you go.
I can actually move.
There you go.
Wow.
You're a brand new woman.
Yes.
Hey, it's Dr. Pete. All right, YouTube, hopefully y'all enjoyed those videos. We had some good action from the patients. Please remember to hit like and subscribe. Thanks again.